We'll guide you through how to add highlight effect and text in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because adding highlight or bevel effects to text helps make designs look more professional and visually appealing. It is especially useful for motion graphics, logos, and 3D typography projects. Many Blender users also want to learn geometry nodes to create flexible, non-destructive workflows for customizing text styles efficiently. Open Blender on your computer and start a new project to begin the process of creating beveled text using geometry nodes. Once the default scene appears, delete the cube by selecting it and pressing the delete key so you have a clean workspace. Next, press Shift+A and choose text from the Add menu to insert a text object into the scene. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Then type your desired text so it appears in the viewport. After finishing the text, press Tab again to return to object mode. Go to the Object Data Properties panel and increase the resolution settings if you want smoother curves and better visual quality. Right-click the text object and choose Convert to Mesh so it can be used with geometry nodes. With the mesh selected, open the Modifier Properties panel on the right side of the screen. Click Add Modifier and select Geometry Nodes to apply the system to your object. Press New to create a fresh node setup that you can edit. Open the Geometry Nodes editor and locate the default Group Input and Group Output nodes. Press Shift+A and add a Mesh to Curve node to convert the mesh into a curve format. Press Shift+A again and add a Curve to Mesh node to convert the curve back into a mesh with thickness. Add a Curve Circle node to act as the bevel profile that will define the shape of the edges. Connect the Group Input node to the Mesh to Curve node using the Geometry Output. Then connect the Mesh to Curve node to the Curve to Mesh node using the Curve Output. Connect the Curve Circle node to the Curve to Mesh node using the Profile Input to define the bevel shape. After that, connect the Curve to Mesh node to the Group Output node using the Mesh Output. Adjust the radius value in the Curve Circle node to control the thickness of the bevel effect. Finally, check the result in the viewport and refine the settings if needed.